Sweetwater Cakes. I'm Michelle, and I have a whole bunch of my friends here joining me today. We are making
cupcakes.
CooKiE MoNStER CUpCaKes.
CooKiE MoNStER CUpCakes. So what are the things that we need?
Blue frosting.
That white frosting. And black. Cupcake.
And of course, cookies. Yes, we need lots of cookies for CooKiE MoNStER. So let's get started and sweeten the world.
Yeah.
So the first thing we're going to do is spray these cupcakes. Can you spray them a little bit? This is with Sweetwater for Sweetwater Cakes, which is just a combination of water and sugar to make our cakes nice and moist. Good job. So now we're just making our CooKiE MoNStER look nice and furry.
And smooth.
Yeah, and smooth. There, that looks great. Good job.
You gotta frost your cupcakes because a cupcake without frosting is just a muffin.
That's right. Frost those cupcakes. So what does CooKiE MoNStER say, you guys?
I want cookies.
Me want cookies.
Cookies.
Can you squeeze it?
I can do it all by myself.
Okay. The next step here, we are adding 2 eyes to our CooKiE MoNStER. Awesome. Look at that CooKiE MoNStER. He's amazing. So now when you make the eyes, the pupil of the eyes, it's important that they are kind of googly, not in the same place, right?
Because this is crazy CooKiE MoNStER. You don't want them to be the same.
No way. Oh, one more. One more white dot.
We don't want a Cyclops CooKiE MoNStER.
No Cyclops. Hey,
That's
good job. Okay, now can you put on two little black dots?
Sure.
Just little black dots. Oh my. I love it. Good job. Look at this CooKiE MoNStER. So this next step is very important. Everyone have a cookie?
I got my cookie.
Okay, now you need to eat half of your cookie.
It's like the best combination. You got a cookie and a cupcake in one.
That's right. That's right. Chocolate chip cookies are my favorite. Now you're going to take your cookie and you're going to put it in the CooKiE MoNStER's mouth.
I like this.
All right, everyone, show your CooKiE MoNStER CupCake. The final product. Guys, these are amazing. I love these cupcakes. What do you guys think?
It looks really good.
It does look really good.
I love it.
I love it too.
I love
Thank you so much for watching. Oh, one more thing. You may have seen our CooKiE MoNStER cake that I made with another one of my friends. Be sure to check that out.
Make sure you subscribe and thumbs up and give this video a big like.
Those cupcakes look yummy.
Look at my mustache. Got a mustache.
What do you think?
Good.
Really good.
Is it the best cupcake ever?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Sweet.
We want cookies!
Thank you so much for watching Sweetwater Cakes. We hope that you have a beautiful day. Go sweeten the world. Bye-bye.